Good afternoon, guys. This is Tony from Tonytime70.com. Today I'm going to show you, because there's been I think, a need for this, to illustrate how to purchase a watch face from my website. So I'm going to walk you through that real quick here. So as you can see, I'm on my page, Tonytime70.com, and let's go to, this is where you'll have the menu at. So let's say we want to look at a fin watch face. I do have a couple recent ones that I've done here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through. I'm actually going to purchase a watch face from myself, but that's okay. For this video, I think it'll be very helpful. All right, so I'm going to purchase this one, okay? So I'm going to add it to my cart. And we're going to check out. Now hold on here. Okay, I'm on the payment screen, and I'm just going to select Shop Pay and Pay Now. Hold on, I got to sign in here. All right, I've got my information entered in here. I'm going to pay now. All right, I've got my information entered in here. I'm going to pay now. Okay, guys, now I'm on my email. I've received an email confirmation for my purchase. And you can see that there's 2 zip files that are included. And I'm going to click on the download link, and I'll walk you through a quick install. So here we are back on my website. We're going to hit download now, and we're going to save. We'll save in files, and then we're going to open. Okay, so there's open and downloads, and here's my file up here, right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it. It's going to unzip it, and it's going to have 2 items in there. It's going to have your Fin Meridian Pro 2. This is the series version, and this is the Ultra version. All right, guys, I'm just going to stay here on my iPad. I do have Clockology installed on my iPad, so it's going to open up in Clockology already. Now, if you haven't done this, it may ask you what you want to open it up in, and you would just select Clockology. So we're going to open up in Clockology. There's the interface, and then you would simply press sync to sync to your watch. It's not giving me that option because I'm doing this from the iPad, not my iPhone. So that is a quick tutorial on how to download from Tonytime70.com and install Clockology onto your watch, onto your Apple Watch. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. I wanted to show you the Fin watch face here on the screen. This is my Ultra 1. As you can see, the watch face looks very nice. High quality. I think you'll be very happy with it. Currently, I have a black minimal hard case for the Ultra here, and this is a glow-in-the-dark. It's white silicone rugged band for your larger series models or the Ultra. And I'll show you real quick on the website where these items are located. So we've got the silicone band. You'll see it right here. This is the glow-in-the-dark one. Okay. Currently $31.95. This is a great band, very comfortable. Glows in the dark really well. So there's that, and then you also have got the hard case. So we go to hard cases, and I'll show you which one I have on my watch currently. It's in here. Apple Watch Ultra 49mm PC case, the hard ones. So like I said, currently this is the black one right here, the one I have on my watch right now. These are great quality, and as you can see, very minimal. It doesn't cover that part of the Ultra, which I like. It is raised over the screen slightly, but it's very minimal, but it helps integrate like the black clasp with this. So it kind of gives you a black Ultra feel. So I just want to show that to you guys real quick. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be more videos coming in the future days and weeks, now that I'm more on my own platform, being Tonytime70.com. Alright guys, one last thing I want to show you on my site is how to get your free watch face when you buy an accessory from my site. So I'm going to go in and select a couple things here. I'm going to select a band. I'm going to do the piano key band that I newly added to my site, one of my favorites. All right, let's just do the white black, add to cart. And you'll see I'm currently running a 20% off December event through 12/22, so it's taking that off. Now we're going to go get our watch face that we want, whichever one we want. All right, so let's go Fortress. And this is one of the newest ones exclusively on my site, not on Etsy. All right, so we're going to select this one. We're going to add it to the cart. Okay, so now here's my cart. And you're going to see that the band, and then we've got the watch face. It discounted it to free. And then here's your 20% off discount here, discounted at the bottom. So our total on this order would be $39.16. That's for the band and for the watch face. And then we would check out. So there you can see the watch face, the free one is built right into the transaction. So there's nothing you have to reach out for. It's just you put your band in your cart or case, and then you go search for whatever watch face you want, add it to your cart, and it discounts automatically. Thanks again, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos that will be coming. Thanks.